Good evening everyone, or Magandang gabi and Happy New Year! Are you all ready for New Year's Eve? Well, kami ay hindi pa, or we're not ready yet. We still have to find about seven round fruits to complete our 12 round fruits for New Year's Eve. So tonight on our video, let's learn a few words related to New Year's Eve. And I just said that we're not ready for New Year yet, or Bagong Taon. Bagong Taon. New Year. We still have to find 7 fruits to complete our 12 round fruits for New Year's Eve. And to say fruit, to say fruit in Tagalog is prutas. Prutas. Say that again. Prutas. Prutas. And if you want to say fruits, you add the word mga. Mga. Mga prutas. Fruits. And to greet a Happy New Year in Tagalog, the traditional greeting is Manigong Bagong Taon. Ma-ni-gong Bagong Taon. Manigong Bagong Taon, which means a prosperous New Year. Manigong Bagong Taon. And of course, you can just say Happy New Year! Having the 12 round fruits on New Year's Eve is believed to bring good luck for the coming year. Good luck or suwerte. 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 And it's New Year, and like Christmas, there's gonna be a lot of food, right? So, food is pagkain. 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 Or, you can also say handa. And you probably had heard the question, anong handa? Anong handa? And handa are foods that you prepare during occasions or holidays such as birthdays and Christmas and New Year and such. So if you are being asked anong handa on New Year's Eve, well, they're asking you what foods are you gonna cook or you're gonna prepare on New Year's Eve. Handa. So that's our another Tagalog word for tonight. Handa. And I just wanna give an example for the word handa. Let's say you ask me, anong handa on New Year's Eve, or what's our handa for New Year's Eve? Then I'll say, for sure there's gonna be rice, and I'm not sure what beyond my mom will cook. And I'm planning to have spaghetti, so we will gonna have that for our handa. And also, we will probably make pancit, and my dad will make his favorite Filipino dessert such as cassava cake. So, those are our handa for New Year's Eve. So, those are our Tagalog words for tonight. And before I say bye-bye, let's do a review. We have the word fruit or prutas. And to say fruits, you say mga prutas. And Happy New Year! Manigong Bagong Taon, which is the traditional greeting in Tagalog. Manigong Bagong Taon. and it means a prosperous new year. And we have the word food or pagkain, pagkain. And last one, handa, handa. Okay, that's all for tonight, and make sure to check the info down below, and also I'm gonna put links that's related on the video. Okay, good night and Happy New Year! Manigong, bagong taon! Bye-bye!